Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding economics concepts in just 1 minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of demographic dividend. Demographic dividend shows the relationship between economic growth potential and shift in a population's age structure. So this can occur when the working age population is larger than non-working age population. So the working age population is the total population who are able and likely to work, usually defined as aged between 15 and 64. India's working age population includes 68% of total population in the age group of 15 to 64. And India had 950.2 million people in this age group. In 2020, the median age was only 28 in India. Demographic dividend will turn into demographic disaster if we fail to utilize the youth. So this is the idea of demographic dividend. If you like it, share it.